Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to complete the new IRS Form 4547 to open up a Trump account either for your newborn child or another one of your kids who is under the age of 18. Now, before I go over how to complete the Form 4547, let me quickly define what a Trump account is. Now, a Trump account is a new type of account that's a tax advantage savings account for children. The account was created under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act that was signed in 2025. Think of the Trump account as a starter IRA for your kids. Any child under 18 with a social security number is eligible for the Trump account. And if your child is a U.S. citizen born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028, the federal government will make a one-time $1,000 contribution into your child's Trump account. Now, this is free money from the government that's not taxable to U.S. income, and it's not immediately taxable to your child. Parents, relatives, employers, and even nonprofits can contribute after-tax dollars to your child's Trump account. The maximum they can contribute is $5,000 per year, and up to $2,500 of that $5,000 could be from an employer. Now, the cool thing is that $1,000 free money from the federal government, it doesn't count towards your annual $5,000 limit. And during childhood, that money grows tax deferred in a low-cost U.S. index fund. And once the child turns 18, the account is subject to the same rules as a traditional IRA. And also at 18, the child takes the account and can do whatever they want with it. To open up a Trump account, you need to complete Form 4547. Now, you can either complete this form online by going to accounts.gov, or you can complete the Form 4547 with your tax return. Now, keep in mind that by completing that Form 4547 with your tax return, it has no impact on your taxes. It's just used to notify the IRS that you have an eligible child and for the custodian to open up that account on behalf of your child. Now, I'm going to include a link to the online form in the description below. Now let's jump into the form and I'll show you how to complete the Form 4547. Okay, so here's the Form 4547. It's a very easy form. It's only one page long and it doesn't ask a lot of complicated questions. It's just very, very simple. In part one, it's going to be the person who is authorized to open up a Trump account on behalf of the child. So this could be a parent, a guardian, or another authorized individual like a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle. In part one, it's going to be the name and information of the person who's opening up the account. So their name, their address, their email, phone number, it's going to be their date of birth. So the authorized person, parent or guardian's date of birth, their social security number. The child's information is going to go into the next part in part two. So if we scroll down in part two, we put the child's first name, middle name if they have one, their last name, the child's social security number, and the child's date of birth, and the relationship to the authorized person. So in this case, it's a parent that's opening up for their child, but if it's an aunt, an uncle, or a grandparent, then they would identify if it's a niece, nephew, or a grandchild. Also, if the home address is different from the person who's opening up the account, it has to be listed here. So if an aunt and uncle is opening up one for their niece or nephew, obviously the address for the child is going to be different than the address for the aunt or the uncle. On the bottom of part two, you're going to identify whether or not you're an authorized person to open up the account for the child. And if you're not an authorized person, obviously you're not eligible to open up the account for the Trump account for your child or the child. Lastly, if the child is born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028, there is a $1,000 one-time bonus contribution that's deposited into the Trump account, and it's a pilot program for those years. And if your child is eligible, you're going to check off this box. That way they're eligible for that $1,000 bonus deposit. And as I mentioned earlier, that deposit's not going to happen until the account is open, which is going to be July of 2026. And then lastly, it's just signing the form and then submitting it. So it's a pretty basic form. If you do it online, the questions are exactly the same. So if you prefer to print out the form, fill it out, and then do the same thing online. However, because the answers are very straightforward, the only thing you're going to have to remember is probably the child's social security number and the date of birth you probably have on hand pretty easily. So there you have it. That's how you complete Form 4547. The questions are the same whether you complete it online through the online portal at accounts.gov or if you do it on your tax return like I just walked you through right now. Remember though, even though you complete the form now, the Trump account cannot be funded before July 2026. So if you complete the form early, don't expect the money to be deposited into your child's Trump account immediately. It's going to take a little bit of time. Hey, thank you for watching. If there's a question you have on this video, or if there's a topic you want me to cover in a future video, be sure to include it in the comment section below.